case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a striking turn of events, a legal battle unfolded in the Supreme Court of the United States in 1943. The case, Spies v. United States, centered around the contentious tax laws detailed in Section 145(b) of the Internal Revenue Code. The burning question was whether there existed a distinct line between a felony and misdemeanor when an individual knowingly avoided paying their taxes. At the heart of this case was a petitioner charged with the sinister intent of evading income tax, a serious accusation elevating his supposed crime to the status of felony. The crux of the case rested on whether the acts that led to such charges were enough to categorize the alleged crime as a felony or merely a misdemeanor. A key factor for consideration was the notion of willfulness, wherein the court had to determine if the petitioner's arrears displayed an evil motive and a lack of justification for his unpaid taxes. Delving into the details, the petitioner had unambiguously admitted that his income was substantial enough for tax liability, but failed to file a return and make the necessary payments. The entire trial revolved around the pinpointing of his tax liability and the management of his income, with the government suggesting that this disclosed an intention to dodge taxes. In his defense, the petitioner drew upon character references, details of physical illness, and a claim of lacking willfulness owing to psychological disturbance. Despite these explanations, the court ruled his actions constituted a felony. The court's final verdict, however, defied expectations. They decreed that the petitioner, who merely failed to observe the stipulated tax laws, should only face the lesser charge of a misdemeanor. This was a direct contradiction to the initial adjudication, which had labeled the accused's actions as a felony offense. Thus, the Supreme Court overturned the original judgment, highlighting the need for meticulous consideration of all aspects of an alleged felony offense.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.